I had my daughter bring me a salad, and I took a bite and bit down on a bacon bit, and it broke my tooth in half right here. I went and saw Dr. Park, and he put me out, removed the rest of the tooth, did a bone graft, and then went in later and put in a titanium rod, and now my smile is all back. He was great to work with. Happy, easy to talk to. I was really impressed that he would call and that Dr. Park would check on me and not just tell somebody to do it or it was their responsibility or whatever. He contacted me. I refer people here all the time and will continue to do that.